Hello and welcome back for another AGIX price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the AGIX chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that last week we saw this massive sell-off in the market in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.17095 mark. And after seeing that low, you can see that we have been on a bit of a recovery mode, where we have been seeing this consolidation over here. And in this consolidation, we have also continued to trade within this ascending channel, which is a bullish chart pattern which breaks to the upper side. And in case we see a breakout out of this chart pattern to the upside, then we can expect AGX to continue gearing up, having our first target areas at around the $0.225 mark, and a break above that and a successful retest could help us get to the next key area of resistance at around the $0.25885 mark. And that is what you can expect on the AGX chart in case we continue gearing up. And today I'm also expecting a lot of volatility in the market, given that we have the CPI data, which is coming out at 3:30 p.m. East African time. And at that point, once you have the CPI data, I'm expecting a lot of volatility in the market. And if the CPI data is positive, then we can expect our breakout out of the channel to the upside, continue gearing up, maybe break above the next key area of resistance at around the 2.22, that is the $0.225 mark, and a break above that could help us get above the $0.25 mark once more. And on the worst case scenario, in case the CPI data is negative, then we can continue expecting further breakdown, where we could see a reset of this low that we made at around the $0.17 mark. AGX has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and if I zoom out to give you my Elliot wave analysis, you can see that after seeing the December lows, we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.67 mark, which is the all-time high, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2. Minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area that I came up with, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area for the wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have fully maximized. And that means that AGX is at a critical area where we could see a turnaround to the upside in the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. So there are high chances that very soon AGIX is going to give us a 5-wave move on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective breakdown to the lower side, confirming that the low for this wave 2 is in, and the start of an impulse in this wave 3 has now started, where we could continue expecting higher prices and continue unlocking, where we could continue expecting higher prices in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And that is what I'm expecting here on the AGX chart. And for that move to play out, we need to see a break above significant highs and also significant areas of resistances. And on the worst case scenario, in case the CPI has a negative impact, then we could possibly get a reset of the low that we made at around the $0.17 mark before we can start our 5-wave move to the upside. And as long as we are holding within this blue target area, then I think AGX is still safe and still have the chances of seeing a recovery in that wave 3. So today the most important thing that we need to keep our eyes on is the CPI, and also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 37 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.